Yo, what's up, Bitcoin Bulletin fam? Get ready, because we're diving headfirst into the craziest crypto news shaping your future. First up, forget everything you thought you knew about getting paid, because stablecoins are officially becoming the hot new salary trend. Companies are ditching traditional methods for these digital dollars, promising faster, cheaper, and more secure payments. We're talking about a full-on payroll revolution, and you're gonna want to know how this impacts your wallet. Next, we've got Metaplanet, Japan's biggest Bitcoin treasury company, going all in. They've just set up new subsidiaries in the US and Japan and snagged the bitcoin.jp domain name. What does this massive expansion mean for their already huge Bitcoin holdings and their plans to generate income from crypto? We're breaking down their bold strategy. Then, get a load of this. Whales are pumping nearly $70,000 into Bitcoin Hyper as its presale explodes past $16.4 million. This project is aiming to give Bitcoin a serious upgrade with a Layer 2 solution that promises lightning-fast and super cheap transactions, all while keeping Bitcoin's legendary security. Could this be the key to unlocking Bitcoin's full potential? We've got the inside scoop. And finally, the FOMC meeting is sending shockwaves through Bitcoin and Ethereum, but experts are pointing to the next big altcoin opportunities. We'll reveal which altcoins are poised for massive gains, even as the Fed's decisions create market jitters. You absolutely do not want to miss this. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single second of this crypto roller coaster. Let's go. Stablecoins are rewriting the rules of payroll. In a financial landscape that's constantly evolving, stablecoins are emerging as the unexpected frontrunners in revolutionizing how companies pay their employees. With advancements in AI and blockchain technology permeating various sectors, businesses are increasingly recognizing the significant advantages these digital assets offer for their payment infrastructures. This shift signals a major transformation in salary disbursement, bringing with it a host of benefits and potential challenges. While Bitcoin often grabs the headlines, stablecoins, pegged to stable assets like fiat currencies, are quietly becoming indispensable. Their inherent stability offers a crucial counterpoint to the notorious volatility of the broader cryptocurrency market, making them an exceptionally attractive option for payroll systems where predictability and reliability are paramount. This is particularly appealing for fintech startups and forward-thinking businesses aiming to modernize their financial operations. The advantages are compelling. Imagine processing payroll in seconds rather than days, a game changer for managing company cash flow. Beyond speed, stablecoins drastically reduce transaction fees, especially for international payments, bypassing the often exorbitant charges levied by traditional banking systems. Furthermore, the underlying blockchain technology provides a secure and transparent ledger, simplifying record-keeping and enhancing compliance. However, the path forward isn't without its hurdles. Navigating the complex and rapidly evolving regulatory landscape, especially with frameworks like Europe's MiCA regulation, requires constant vigilance. Companies must stay ahead of compliance requirements to avoid penalties. Market volatility, though less pronounced than with other cryptocurrencies, remains a consideration. Additionally, implementing these sophisticated systems necessitates investment in robust technology infrastructure. The future looks bright, with potential collaborations between traditional banks and stablecoin providers aiming for seamless integration. AI is also poised to automate tasks and optimize payment calculations, further streamlining the process. As the market matures, a wider array of stablecoin options will become available, offering businesses greater flexibility and choice. Stablecoins are undeniably set to disrupt payroll systems, offering a faster, safer, and more cost-effective payment solution. The key for companies will be to adeptly navigate the regulatory and technological complexities, positioning themselves at the forefront of financial innovation. Don't go anywhere, because the story of how your paycheck could change forever is just getting started. Next, we're heading to Japan, where Metaplanet is making huge moves in the Bitcoin space. Metaplanet is doubling down on Bitcoin. Metaplanet, already recognized as Japan's largest Bitcoin treasury company, has just announced a significant strategic expansion by establishing two new subsidiaries, one in Japan and another in the United States. This ambitious move is further solidified by their acquisition of the bitcoin.jp domain name, signaling a strengthened commitment to the world's leading cryptocurrency. The newly formed Japanese entity, Bitcoin Japan Inc., will be headquartered in Tokyo. Its primary mission will be to manage and develop a comprehensive suite of Bitcoin-related media, conferences, and online platforms. This includes overseeing the prominent Bitcoin magazine Japan and the newly acquired Bitcoin.jp domain, aiming to become a central hub for Bitcoin information and engagement in the region. Concurrently, the U.S. subsidiary, Metaplanet Income Corp., based in Miami, Florida, will concentrate on income generation strategies through Bitcoin-related financial products, with a particular focus on derivatives. This move aligns with Metaplanet's recently launched Bitcoin income generation business from the last quarter of 2024, which they aim to significantly scale through this new U.S. operation. Both subsidiaries will operate under the leadership of Metaplanet CEO Simon Jarovich, ensuring a cohesive strategic direction. This expansion comes shortly after Metaplanet announced its intention to raise approximately 204.1 billion yen, around $1.4 billion USD, through an international share sale. The primary goal of this capital raise is to further bolster its already substantial Bitcoin holdings. Currently, Metaplanet holds over 20,000 BTC, ranking it as the sixth largest Bitcoin treasury company globally, according to Bitcoin Treasury's data. This strategic accumulation underscores their deep conviction in Bitcoin's long-term value and potential. The market is watching Metaplanet's every move, especially given their aggressive accumulation strategy and expansion plans. Investors are keen to see how these new subsidiaries will contribute to the company's revenue streams and overall Bitcoin strategy, particularly in the growing derivatives market. But the Bitcoin news doesn't stop there. A different kind of Bitcoin innovation is making waves. Get ready for the story of Bitcoin Hyper and how whales are betting big on its massive presale. Whales are fueling a Bitcoin revolution. The presale for Bitcoin Hyper, is absolutely scorching, having just surpassed the incredible milestone of $16.4 million raised, thanks to a surge of activity from major investors, or whales. These significant buys, totaling nearly $70,000 since Monday alone, have catapulted this crypto fundraiser into the spotlight as one of the most exciting presales of the year. Bitcoin, since its inception in 2009, has undeniably cemented its status as the world's premier cryptocurrency, boasting a market cap exceeding $2.3 trillion and recently hitting prices as high as $124,000. Even institutional investors have been actively accumulating, with corporate treasuries now holding over 1 million BTC, representing nearly 5% of the total supply. Clearly, Bitcoin remains a top-tier choice for digital asset investment. However, Bitcoin's foundational design, optimized for security, has led to limitations such as slow and expensive transactions. Its capacity to handle only about 7 transactions per second, TPS, stands in stark contrast to newer blockchains like Solana, which can manage up to 65,000 TPS. This inherent constraint limits Bitcoin's utility for advanced applications like smart contracts, dApps, DeFi protocols, and NFTs, without compromising its core security. The solution being pioneered by Bitcoin Hyper is a Layer 2 blockchain. This innovative approach aims to enhance Bitcoin's capabilities by enabling faster and cheaper transactions, while crucially preserving its robust security. When fully realized, the Bitcoin Hyper Layer 2 is expected to unlock a vast array of new applications for BTC, including seamless interaction with dApps and the ability to participate in staking. This Layer 2 solution will operate on a Solana virtual machine, inheriting the high speeds and significantly reduced transaction costs associated with the Solana ecosystem. A key feature is the secure, non-custodial bridge, allowing users to deposit and withdraw their BTC between layers at will. This technological integration promises to dramatically expand what Bitcoin can achieve. The market buzz surrounding Bitcoin Hyper is palpable. The project has not only raised over $16.4 million, but has also seen substantial recent whale activity, including an $11 $0.02 purchase just today. The Hyper token is currently priced affordably at 0.012935, making it accessible for a wide range of investors looking to be part of this significant upgrade to the Bitcoin ecosystem. Still with us, you won't believe what the FOMC meeting is doing to the crypto market. Stay tuned as we reveal the best altcoins experts are recommending right now. FOMC jitters rock crypto, but altcoins shine. The cryptocurrency market is currently experiencing significant volatility, with Bitcoin and Ethereum trading within tight ranges, as investors anxiously await the Federal Reserve's latest interest rate decision. The anticipation surrounding whether the Fed will implement the expected 25 basis point cut or a more aggressive 50 basis point reduction is creating a palpable sense of uncertainty. Historically, rate cuts tend to boost risk assets like cryptocurrencies by increasing liquidity. However, there's a prevailing concern that if Fed Chair Jerome Powell adopts a cautious tone, the market could face a sell-the-news event. While long-term sentiment remains bullish, particularly if the Fed signals further easing, this week serves as a stark reminder that macroeconomic events continue to exert considerable influence, even on the most established digital assets. In light of this uncertainty surrounding Bitcoin and Ethereum, experts are highlighting several altcoins that present compelling investment opportunities. Among the top picks are Somnia, SOMI, Maxi Doge, Maxi, and Bitcoin Hyper, each offering unique value propositions and growth potential. Somnia, SOMI, is a Layer 1 blockchain designed for scalability, featuring EVM compatibility for seamless migration of Ethereum dApps. Its standout feature is its exceptional speed, capable of processing over 1 million transactions per second with sub-second finality. Following its mainnet launch and the activation of staking and dApps, SOMI has seen a significant rally, with its token price increasing by over 113% since launch. Its growing ecosystem and strategic partnerships are attracting both developers and capital. Maxi Doge, Maxi, offers a unique take on the meme coin concept, rebranding the classic Doge mascot with a bro aesthetic. While not a traditional utility token, Maxi focuses on community-driven events. Its tokenomics are designed to prevent dumping, featuring a fixed supply and attractive staking rewards. With over $2.2 million raised in its presale and an impressive 144% APY for early stakers, Maxi is building a sticky community and has an ambitious roadmap including trading contests and CEX listings. Bitcoin Hyper aims to enhance Bitcoin's functionality by introducing a Layer 2 network built on Solana's virtual machine. This allows for faster, cheaper transactions and enables Bitcoin to be used in DeFi applications via a canonical bridge. The Hyper presale has already raised over $16.2 million, with tokens available at an attractive price. Audited for security, Hyper has the potential to transform Bitcoin from a mere store of value into a robust DeFi base layer. This has been a whirlwind of crypto news, but we're not done yet. Get ready for a lightning round recap of everything we covered and a full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw stablecoins emerge as the new salary trend, Metaplanet massively expand its Bitcoin empire, whales pour millions into the promising Bitcoin Hyper presale, and the FOMC create market jitters while experts scouted the best altcoins like Somnia, Maxi Doge, and Bitcoin Hyper. Don't miss out on the future of crypto. Hit that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for more exclusive updates, ring the notification bell so you never miss a video, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social media platforms for real-time news. We'll see you in the next one.